Hello students, this is mathematics class for class 12th. Today's topic is homogeneous differential equation. First of all, we have to understand what is a homogeneous function. If a function is in the form f lambda x lambda y is equal to f x y, or we can say f lambda x lambda y is equal to lambda to the power 0 f x y, then the function can be said as a homogeneous function. So first of all, we have to determine whether the differential equation is homogeneous or not. First of all, we will consider a differential equation x cube plus y cube into dy minus x square y dx. For this differential equation, we have to determine whether the differential equation is homogeneous or not. First of all, we will write x cube plus y cube dy is equal to x square y dx. What we have done? We have transposed the term of dx to the right hand side. Now we will find the value of dy upon dx. That will be x square y upon x cube plus y cube. Now this can be written as, this is the function of x fxy. This is the function of xy, so we can write fx comma y is equal to x square y upon x cube plus y cube. Now, if we put lambda x in place of x and lambda y in place of y, then the value of f lambda x lambda y will be lambda x whole square lambda y upon lambda x whole cube plus lambda y whole cube. Now you can see this will be lambda square x square and lambda y in the numerator, and in denominator lambda cube x cube plus lambda cube y cube. Now you can see in the numerator there will become lambda to the power 3 and x square y upon lambda cube is common in the denominator, so we can write x cube plus y cube. Now you can see f lambda x lambda y is equal to, since the lambda cube is common in the denominator and numerator, then the power of lambda will become lambda to the power 0, because this power 3 and 3 will be cancelled. Now we have x square y upon x cube plus y cube. Now you can see f lambda x comma lambda y is equal to lambda to the power 0 and x square y upon x cube plus y cube, you can see this is equal to fxy. Now we can write fxy. So in this way we can verify or we can determine that the given differential equation is homogeneous, because it verifies the condition of homogeneous function. Now move on to the solution of a homogeneous differential equation. Now students, let us see how can we solve the differential equation which is homogeneous. Now you can see this is dy upon dx is equal to x square y upon x cube y cube. For the homogeneous equation which is in the form of dy upon dx is equal to fx comma y, we let y is equal to vx. Now the variable y is equal to vx, v is a variable and x is also a variable. Now we will differentiate with respect to x. Now it will become dy upon dx. Here two functions are, so we will apply product rule. V d by dx of x plus x d by dx of v. Now it will become dy upon dx is equal to v, since the d by dx of x is 1 plus x, and it will become dv upon dx. Now dy upon dx is equal to v plus x into dv upon dx. Now we have the dy upon dx is equal to v plus x dv by dx. It means here in place of dy upon dx we can put this value v plus x dv by dx. So we will replace dy upon dx from v plus x dv by dx. So we will write v plus x dv by dx in place of dy upon dx, and x square will be as it is, and y, the assumption for y is vx, so in place of y we will write vx upon x cube will be as it is, plus in place of y we will write vx whole cube. Now it will be v plus x dv by dx is equal to vx cube upon x cube plus v cube x cube. Now v plus x dv by dx will be as it is equal to x cube into v, and x cube is common in denominator. So here it will become 1 plus v cube. Now x cube and x cube is cancelled. Now x dv by dx is equal to v upon 1 plus v cube minus v, since v is transposed to the right hand side. Now x dv by dx is equal to, the LCM will be 1 plus v cube and v will be as it is, and v is multiplied to 1 plus v cube and it will become minus v and minus v to the power 4. Now you can see v and v is cancelled. Now we have x dv upon dx is equal to minus v to the power 4 upon 1 plus v to the power 3. Now by the rule of variable and separable we can write it as dv upon 1 dv into 1 plus v cube upon v to the power 4. This fraction has come to the left hand side, that's why it has been reciprocal. 1 plus y cube upon y to the power 4 into dv, and here it will become dx by x. Now we will integrate in both sides, because for the solution of differential equation we integrate, so we can write 1 upon v to the power 4 plus v cube upon v to the power 4 dv is equal to, now integration of 1 by x with respect to x. Now you know v to the power minus 4, the integration of v to the power minus 4 will be v to the power minus 4 plus 1 upon minus 4 plus 1 plus, and here it will be log v, log mod v, because it will be 1 upon v, and in right hand side minus log mod x plus c. Now it can be written as 1 upon 3 and v to the power 3 plus log mod v is equal to minus log mod x plus c. Now we will put up the values of v, and the value of v you can write y upon x from here. So 1 upon 3 into y cube upon x cube plus log mod y upon x is equal to minus log mod x plus c. Now you can write it minus x cube upon 3y cube plus log mod y upon x is equal to minus log mod x plus c. This is the general solution for the differential equation which is homogeneous. Thank you.